What if a tiny island held secrets to a longer, healthier life and a history so rich it feels like a time capsule? You might think Malta is just another beautiful Mediterranean spot, but it's far more than postcards and ancient ruins. In this video, we're uncovering 3 unique facts about Malta, including its surprising modern identity and the specific health benefits attracting global attention in 2026. Get ready to see why this small nation packs a huge punch. Malta, an archipelago in the heart of the Mediterranean, boasts a history that makes older civilizations look young. Fact 1. It's home to some of the world's oldest freestanding structures, the megalithic temples, predating the pyramids. Imagine standing where people lived thousands of years before recorded history. Fact 2. Its unique language, Maltese, is the only Semitic language written in the Latin alphabet, a true linguistic melting pot reflecting centuries of diverse influences. And fact 3, by 2026, Malta has cemented itself as a thriving tech hub, a vibrant digital nomad destination, and a pioneer in sustainable tourism. But here's the real kicker. Malta isn't just historically fascinating, it's a blueprint for well-being. Its Mediterranean diet, rich in fresh fish, local produce, and olive oil, combined with over 300 days of sunshine annually, naturally boosts vitamin D levels and mood. The island's relaxed pace, active lifestyle, and low pollution contribute to lower stress and improved cardiovascular health. People here aren't just living, they're thriving, often reaching impressive ages with vitality. The challenge for many is finding a place that balances a rich life with tangible health advantages, and Malta surprisingly delivers on both. If you want to dive deeper into other incredible global health hotspots, click on the video popping up right now.